Welcome to the serene paradise of Frontenac State Park, a hidden oasis nestled along the majestic shore of the mighty Mississippi River in Minnesota. Prepare to embark on an immersive journey through this captivating natural sanctuary where rugged bluffs, verdant forests, and awe-inspiring river vistas await your exploration. Frontenac State Park beckons adventurers with its unspoiled beauty and diverse landscape, offering a haven for nature lovers and outdoor aficionados alike. As you step into the park, the melodious symphony of the Mississippi River surrounds you, setting a stage for an unforgettable adventure filled with tranquility and wonder. Follow the winding trails that meander through the park's rolling hills and verdant valleys, each path unveiling a new chapter in the story of nature's splendor. Whether you're hiking, bird watching, or simply wandering along the riverbank, Frontenac promises a tapestry of experiences to delight the senses and soothe the soul. Keep a keen eye out for the vibrant array of wildlife that calls Frontenac home. From majestic bald eagles soaring gracefully overhead to playful otters frolicking in the river's embrace. From every turn of the trail, you encounter a plethora of creatures, both great and small, each adding to the park's rich tapestry of life. Pause to behold the breathtaking panoramas that stretch out before you, with the mighty Mississippi River flowing serenely below. The shimmering waters mirror the azure sky above, creating a scene of timeless beauty that speaks to the soul and ignites the imagination. Feel the gentle caress of the breeze as it dances through the trees, carrying with it the sweet scent of wildflowers and the earthly aroma of the forest. Allow yourself to be enveloped in the sight and sounds of nature, immersing yourself in the tranquil embrace as you explore every nook and cranny of Frontenac's diverse habitat. For those seeking adventure, Frontenac State Park offers a wealth of recreational activities to delight and inspire. Whether you're casting a line in search of the perfect catch, paddling along the river's edge in a kayak, or embarking on a guided nature walk, the park invites you to unleash your inner explorer and forge unforgettable memories in the great outdoors. As we bid farewell to the Frontenac State Park, let us carry with us the memories of this enchanting journey and the timeless beauty of the Mississippi River that flows through its heart. May the spirit of exploration and discovery continue to guide us as we venture forth into the natural world of Minnesota and beyond. Enjoy the hike.